Welcome. If you're looking to update your Telegram channel's type, whether switching from public to private or vice versa, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and simplest way to change your channel type on Telegram. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages the channel you want to update. Next, navigate to your channel. You can find it on your chat list. Just tap to open it. Once you're inside your channel, look at the top of the screen and tap on the channel's name. This will bring up your channel's details page, where you can see information like your channel's description, members, and more. Now, look for the edit icon. On most devices, it appears as a pencil or a small edit button, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to enter the editing mode for your channel. In the editing menu, find and tap on Channel Type. This is where you can choose whether your channel is public or private. If you want your channel to be accessible to anyone and searchable, select Public. If you'd rather keep it exclusive, choose Private. For public channels, you'll also be able to set or update a unique link that people can use to join. After selecting your preferred channel type, don't forget to confirm your choice. There's usually a Save, Done, or a checkmark button at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your Telegram channel type. Remember, public channels are open to everyone, while private channels require an invite link to join. Adjusting your channel type can help you control your audience and privacy as your community grows. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram channel.